Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? So meron tayong bagong package na dumating and nabili lang natin to sa Shopee, sa Orange app. And this is a collector's essential, most especially when playing Magic the Gathering. So buksan na natin siya para we can see yung item na binili natin. So hindi siya ganun kalaki yan and baka simple lang naman yung item. Ayan lang. This is just like a dice for, as I said, playing Magic the Gathering. So kailangan kasi pag naglaro tayo ng Magic, we have dice for like sa life, at the same time yung mga counters. So bumili tayo online and it's really not that expensive. Nabili natin to less than 100. Specific amount is 75 pesos. So buksan na natin siya para makita natin yung pinaka itsura niya. So fast forward natin ng konti. Let's go. So ayan, buksan na natin siya and kita naman yung itsura niya, right? So ganito yung itsura ng dice. It looks premium and nice sa amount na binayaran natin. So, made from resin to. And kita nyo naman yung pagkakagawa, diba? It's pretty nice. And solid din siya. Well, dice nga diba? Pero, the color itself, the build, the carve here, like ayan, yung numbers, the paint job, is pretty decent for a dice worth less than 100 pesos. Tinry ko rin kung nagre-reflect siya sa sun, like pag tinapat mo, pero I think it's like, well, not, kasi tinry ko siyang itapat sa araw so kumikintab siya as you can see, pero hindi siya transparent sa mismong loob. So ayan, red and black yung combination ng color niya. And perfect na perfect yun sa ating deck, commander deck for Magic the Gathering. So pretty much ayun lang, na-share ko lang ang ating bagong biling dice. So guys, later.